In our previous video, we used various approaches to index into ndarrays based on the locations in the array. In data science, we often find ourselves caring a great deal about the values in the array. For example, what if we wanted to find all ages less than 0 or greater than 100, and then do something with those values? To do that kind of data cleaning, we need Boolean indexing. By the end of this video, you should be able to use conditional indexing to access and permute relevant data in ndarrays. To get started, let's create another basic sample array with 3 rows and 2 columns. What we'll do next is use conditionals combined with ndarrays to get back Boolean arrays. Here I'm asking for a filter which will be true for every element greater than 15 and false for every element less than 15. The filter we've just created is the same size and shape as the original ndarray, and for each element it has either a true or a false value. We can now use that filter as indices to the larger array, asking for those values for which the filter is true. What we'll get back is all the values greater than 15. To be honest, this is pretty slick in itself. What a great way to pull out values matching a particular criteria. But we can actually express this in a single step. Here I'm asking for all the values in an array where an array is greater than 15. This creates a Boolean filter and then applies it all in one step, like this. We can have even more complex logic here. Let's try to get all the values between 20 and 30. To do that, I'm going to make these changes. So first I'm going to say an array is greater than 20 and an array is less than 30. Or we can even ask for even values just using the modulo symbol. So I can do that like this. By saying an array modulo 2 equals 0. Let's use that same conditional, but now let's actually change the elements based on the condition. So this line here will select all the elements in an array where the an array value is even, and we'll add 100 to it. That's exactly what happens. Filters are useful in many data science operations and other computer science algorithms involving matrices. For example, green screening of images takes advantage of filter functions to replace green pixels in the background with another image of your choice. We'll see more of this as we go through the course, primarily when we're trying to clean up our data.